We get a lot of questions on our social media about different designs and things that we post. So today we're going to answer some of those questions that we get in our DMs. Are you ready, Paul?
No.
Well, you need to answer the first one because one of the top questions we got was, what happened to Luna after she fell down the stairs and you abandoned her?
First of all, I told Susan you didn't post the other half of that video where I went to go save her after. She wasn't hurt. That was the thing.
She was totally fine, so it was really funny.
It was just unexpected. I just turned and heard a tumble, and I was like, what just happened?
Some people just blamed you for abandoning her, that's all. So we just wanted to make that clear that you did not abandon her.
No, I did not.
After she fell down the stairs.
No, I would not do that to my precious puppy.
The next question is from our project that we called Renovation 911, and the question is, what caused the house fire? Because it was a fairly new house.
What caused the fire was actually the bathroom fan in the primary bathroom. There was a wiring issue with the fan and the attic caught fire above.
The fire department came, 911 showed up, they had to break a hole in the roof, douse the house with water, so that's why there was so much damage, because the water just came down from the roof all the way down through all the levels of the house. So,
but nobody got hurt, so that was the big thing.
What size niche do we do in a standard 5-foot tub? Height-wise, I like to go 18 inches because people have really tall bottles.
This Costco-sized bottle of shampoo that you got?
Exactly. So I like to go 18 inches high, and then I like to do half the width of the tub. So if it's a 60-inch tub, I like to go 30 inches, so 18 by 30. I think Paul was about to say that. This one was really funny, so it makes me wonder what they saw of you. Somebody said, so I swear your husband had an English accent. Am I crazy?
The answer is yes.
Yes. No, you're not crazy. He's crazy.
I want you to see what we're observing right here. Watch the majestic creature as she sits there and tells the males what to do and how to do it.
No, I've never had an English accent.
But I think they may have seen.
They could have seen a video where I was trying to maybe have an English accent. I have a really bad Boston accent, but not a sophisticated English accent.
No, I think if the English people heard your English accent, they would immediately know that it was fake. The Skinny Kitchen Makeover Project, what size is that pantry? That was a small space that we were trying to fit mudroom, pantry, bar area, and bathroom.
5 foot by 5.5.
How did you guess? That was a great guess.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks blurry from here, so.
All right, this is another dimension question.
Okay.
Okay, so this is about the office where we did 2 built-in desks and the built-in Murphy bed and a window seat. There was a ton of stuff in that room, so people were asking, what are the dimensions of that room? So the room itself was 12 by 12, and then the little nook where the Murphy bed was is about 18 inches deep. The room was not a perfect square, it was a square with a little nook, so we stuffed it in the nook.
Made it all fit.
We did. We kind of made the nook for the bed.
It was custom.
Yeah. So this is one of our most asked about paint colors, and this is from the project From Starter Home to Forever Home, and we did pantry storage and a mudroom, and the paint color was just really pretty.
New Providence Navy.
There you go. So
Yes.
you can say. So Benjamin Moore, New Providence Navy was that color.
See, what did I say? Blue.
You got it.
And I said navy, see?
You did. You said blue and navy.
I covered it.
Do you think they bought that I have an American accent?